I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone model supports the target version and why that matters for features and security. Next, back up your device to iCloud or to a computer via iTunes. Make sure the backup finishes so you can restore if needed. Once done, plug into power and reliable Wi-Fi, free sufficient storage, and note account passwords. This reduces interruptions and preserves your data before the update or downgrade process begins. You will obtain the correct installation file or use the standard settings route. Choose IPSWA only if you need a specific version. Then connect to a Mac/PC and open Finder or iTunes, selecting Restore while holding Option or Shift to pick the file. This forces installation of the chosen iOS. Make sure you verify the file and keep the cable attached and the machine awake, because interruptions during restore can leave the device unusable until completion. You finish by following on-screen setup steps, signing into your Apple ID, and restoring your backup so apps and settings return. Confirm battery and app behavior once the phone boots. If something goes wrong, start simple. Force reboot, then make sure your cable and ports are good. If the device doesn't start, enter DFU or recovery mode and retry the restore on another computer. These steps often recover a stalled installation and get you back to a working iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.